Today we're making scrambled eggs. I watched a video a while ago about Gordon Ramsay and his ideal scrambled eggs. In his video, he made a version of it that used creme fraiche to make it all rich and creamy. However, unlike Gordon, I don't use creme fraiche and it's not often in my pantry. So how can I get smooth and creamy scrambled eggs? I'm going to show you right now. In a bowl, I'm going to mix together 2 eggs. I'm going to give them a good beating with a whisk, and then I'm going to add a splash of milk, and then I'm going to whisk again until incorporated. As always, Gordon is the goat, so we do season at the end. In this video, he uses a hot pan and often takes it off and on the heat. However, I like starting off on a medium heat, adding your eggs and then immediately lowering the heat and constantly stirring. Eventually the eggs are going to lose the moisture and get all soft and creamy. When they look like this and they're this consistency, you're going to know you're done. I know they look a bit raw, but look at the temperature on this food probe. It's over 70 degrees, so you know the bad bacteria is gone. Now we're going to season with salt and pepper and serve. I personally serve with toast and some of this iconic Heinz ketchup. And just like that, you have an easy breakfast. It takes about 5 minutes. Whack your toast in, whack your eggs on a pan. Honestly, you don't even need to whisk your eggs. If you get your eggs, get your milk, put it in the pan with the butter of course, then whisk it all together on a low heat, constantly mix it, you're going to have your scrambled eggs. Basically cook low and slow with your scrambled eggs, but of course eggs don't take that long. So yeah, that's how you make scrambled eggs, fellas. I didn't even think I need to make this video, but it's just an upload to get shit out there. You know how it be. Right folks, I'll see you later, probably next week. Goodbye.